Alright, y'all, so I'm about to get ready to go to bed now. I just wanted to update everyone on what my channel is going to be like now. You know what I'm saying? Because I used to do a lot of singing on my channel. I used to do a lot of, promoting, marketing, a lot of MCA stuff. I was with them. So when I was with them, but I'm no longer with them. They were MCA anymore. Although, I still use their services, but I don't promote for them anymore. But what I do is I own a business, and I'm going to take you guys on my journey with me. I have so much freaking content, that's been, I can even go make my nails done. This is ridiculous. They're all brittle and shit, but I have so much content I was going over content from years back that I didn't upload. So I'm just gonna upload every fucking thing from now on, You guys can check out all of the channels that we're on. This is gonna be my personal channel. This is me, KK. KK, all of my friends know me as KK. So I'm just gonna be me, And I also have my Lock Libertarian page, and that page is more about politics and stuff like that. It's also connected to Conversation Resonation. So that is our blog. And I also will be doing some candid photos. So I'll take you guys along with me there as well. We just started our clothing company, Gifted Clothing, and I'm not sure if I want to upcycle, do thrifted denim work or I'm not sure what I want to do with that yet, but I know it's gonna be graphic tees, maybe some custom denim, because I love doing custom shit, and a bunch of other things, family things. I just wanted to bring you guys along with me. We've explored literally so much. We've done van life. Right now we're not doing van life because we no longer have our van, but we are back in Sticks and Bricks, which is kind of me, because we've accumulated so much shit now, and it's damn, I look around and I'm dang, none of this shit fit in the bed. I would like to get back to van life probably when we're older. The kids are grown and, we can travel and, see the world or whatever. But, anyway, I just wanted to update you guys on what I was going to be doing with my channels, because I only have a certain amount of followers, and my followers only, they follow me for probably because I sing. But I haven't been singing lately because my voice is really off. And they copy. I had to copyright something on my page on my YouTube for singing Rihanna's Higher cover or whatever. So I didn't know about that. So that's another thing. Another reason why, I'm ashy as hell. Damn. That's what happens when you just get out the tub and don't fucking moisturize. But anyway, I'm getting ready to go to bed right now, so I'm gonna get up probably about 7, 8-ish, 9-ish maybe, and hop on the bike. I'm gonna upload this tonight, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so I'm KK, and this is KK TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. Like, let me know what like, because this is my channel, and my channel is, I want to have a really, cool, calm channel, not like, I'm just gonna be all over the motherfucking place. But on my KTV channel, I might just be all over the motherfucking place because that's how I am, But I'm gonna try to get organized more because shit, yeah. I have so much to fucking do to the point where I don't want to do any of that shit, you know what I'm saying? Like, so I'm gonna have to work on that. So by me posting so much, it's gonna help me to do that and get back to where, I need to be, because since we've moved, like, I've been so just enjoying my space to where I just let the business go for a minute. And you can't do that. You can't do that. You have to, like, market your business even if you're not in business, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I still have a lot to learn. I'm not fucking at all fucking, super duper person that knows how to do every fucking thing. You understand what I'm saying? But I try, I make an effort, and I make it happen. By the grace of the Most High, I'm able to do that. So I don't really I just make it happen. But anyway, so I'm going to be explaining to you over the times. I'm going to be explaining, that sometimes, like, well, right now I'm talking really low because it's late, and I might be loud, but anyway, shit, I just changed the whole subject because I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy right now, y'all. Alright, well, in the morning, for sure, in the AM, hopefully I'll be up about 9, because it's 1 now, it's 1:33, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Maybe. That's a fucking big maybe, because I'm not even sure if I'm gonna go to sleep. I have to, like, edit my website and shit. But, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna end this right now. But like and subscribe, you guys. For more content, keep watching, y'all. Put your notifications on, because I'm gonna take y'all on a fucking trip. Seriously. So, it's your girl KK, and this is KK TV. Thanks for watching, y'all.